Almost. Almost.
Just burying the boy.
Almost.
Just
Isn't that
burying.
cool?
Good boy.
Isn't that cool?
Good boy.
Oops. What is this? Oh, that's a rock.
Good boy. That's okay, Willie. Oh, sorry.
Keep still. Yeah, sorry.
Hi, my name's Ryan. I'm burying the boy. I'm burying the boy. He likes the cold sand. As long as it's not on his head. There. Whose dog does that? Say hi.
Take it around your face. It's okay.
Say hi. Hi, Willie. Hi, baby. Super berry dog. Good boy. Are you smelling the sand? Hi, Willie. You're so cute. What a chill dog.
He's like, oh, it's so
He's
nice.
going to sleep in there. That's so crazy. Dad! Come here really fast.
Stay there.
Stay, Willie. Come here. Hurry up.
Just put your head down.
Come here, baby.
He's coming.